What's up? This is John from John Branch for Photography with another Tip Tuesday. So since the XT3 firmware update just dropped, which I'm so hype about, that face detection is going to be so good. But since it just dropped today, let's go ahead and talk about how to update the firmware on your XT3. So to start out, go ahead and jump on your computer and search for Fujifilm Firmware Update. This will take you to a site where you can look for the different firmware updates for all the Fujifilm cameras. I'll also link below the one specific for the XT3. Once you found your camera system, go ahead and download the firmware update to the XT3. You'll see here it says new because it's brand spanking new, so go ahead and download that. Next up, grab your camera, make sure you have an SD card in it, and go ahead and format that SD card. To format, just go into the menu, go to the gear, then choose user settings and format. After you formatted your SD card, go ahead and pop it out and put it into your computer. Now move the firmware update onto your SD card. Take the SD card out and pop it back into your camera. And this time when you go to turn it on, hold down the back display button. When you do this, you should see the firmware update options. It'll show you what version you're currently on, and then hit OK, choose body, and you should see the new update. After that, click OK and there you go, updating your firmware. So yeah, this process works for pretty much all the other Fuji cameras as well. So if you don't have the XT3, if maybe you have the XT2, or even if you're just trying to update the firmware to your lenses, this process works for all of those things. I'll make a video in the future as well about the update because I'm so hype about it. I have a bunch of weddings coming up which I could definitely use this face detection when we're like doing first dance and things like that. So I'll let y'all know how it works out for me and if I can really tell the difference. But yet again, thanks for hanging out. Hope that Tip Tuesday helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more information like this. I'll catch y'all next time. All right, peace.